Welcome to Amazing Reptiles, Cold-Blooded Animals. Did you know one reptile alive today is over 190 years old? Let's find out who it is. We will be covering the 4 main characteristics of reptiles: having scales, being cold-blooded, laying eggs, and breathing with lungs. By the end of this video, you will be able to identify reptiles and name their characteristics. You will also be able to explain why reptiles are cold-blooded and give examples of reptiles. First, let's answer a fundamental question. What exactly are reptiles? Reptiles are animals that are defined by having scales and backbones. You can see examples here with the snake, crocodile, and iguana. Reptiles can be found in many different places. Some live on land, some in water, and others spend time in both environments. Now let's delve into the main characteristics of reptiles to understand what makes them so special. The first characteristic is scales. Most reptiles have dry, scaly skin. This skin helps to protect their bodies and is important for keeping water inside. Lizards, like this iguana, have scales that serve as a protective layer for their skin. Crocodiles are also reptiles, known for their incredibly tough scales and powerful jaws. Next, reptiles are cold-blooded. This means a reptile's body temperature changes to match the weather around it. Iguanas often bask in the sun to warm up. Komodo dragons are cold-blooded too. They regulate their body temperature by warming up in the sun and cooling down in the shade. Another key characteristic is that most reptiles lay eggs. These eggs are usually placed in a safe location to develop. Geckos are reptiles that lay eggs. Most female geckos lay 1 or 2 eggs at a time, which they hide in safe locations until they hatch. Finally, all reptiles breathe air with lungs. Chameleons, for example, use lungs to breathe. Alligators also breathe air using their lungs, a trait shared by all reptiles. Just like getting a new outfit, reptiles shed their old skin as they grow. This is called molting. Let's pause and think about something. Is a turtle considered a reptile? Why or why not? Yes, a turtle is a reptile because it has scales, breathes air using lungs, and lays eggs. These are the main characteristics we've discussed. Let's compare reptiles and mammals by looking at their body coverings, body temperature, and how they have babies. Did you know that the saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile in the world? They can grow to be very massive. All snakes use their tongues to help them smell and learn about the world around them. They flick their tongues to gather scents. One famous giant tortoise named Jonathan is over 190 years old, making him one of the oldest known living land animals. Which reptile did you find the most interesting today? Now let's review what we've learned and test your knowledge about reptiles and mammals. True or false? Reptiles have scales. True or false? Mammals are cold-blooded. True or false? Most reptiles lay eggs. True or false? Mammals have hair or fur. True or false? Snakes are mammals. True or false? Reptiles have dry, scaly skin. True or false? All reptiles have fur. True or false? All reptiles have fur. True or false? Frogs are reptiles. I make educational videos and resources to help teachers, homeschool families, interventionists, and struggling learners. Get your copy at Teachers Pay, Teachers, or Gumroad, and watch the read aloud on YouTube.